Hello, third graders. I wanted to give you a quick video on how to do our new activity on Tuesday and Thursday, our Brain Pop Science and Social Studies. Now, you have this paper on your Google Classroom and on Dojo, but you're just going to follow the directions as is. But sometimes you guys might be like me and like to see things to understand them a little bit better. So the first direction says go to brainpop.com. So I'm going to go onto my internet and I'm going to type just that, brainpop.com. Now I'm going to check back and it says I need to click to log in. Click log in. So I'm going to go back to my internet and click log in. The next item says my username is Side Creek and my password is Wolverines1. Wolverine with an S on the end and the number 1. So I already have mine saved in here, but this part says Side Creek and this part does say Wolverines1. So I'm going to go ahead and click that log in button. The next direction says that on day 2, that's Tuesday, is our science day. So I'm going to follow these directions. I'm going to search the word weather. So down up here, I'm going to put in WEATHER. Looks like I've got a lot of ones to choose from. So let's take a look back at the directions. It looks like I'm going to want to find this one with the little sundial looking temperature gauge on it. So I'm going to come over here and click on weather. Once I do, it says I should watch the video. So all I'm going to do is click here on the video section and watch this. Now, this video is about 3 minutes and 43 seconds. Take your time and pause it as much as you can or as much as you need. Next, it says that I need to take the quiz. Now, that's something that you do have to do, but I want to show you a couple other options before you do. You can always go here to any of these other code areas right underneath and play any of these games. There are games here where you can play games about this weather video. You can scroll back, you can go here and find some interesting vocabulary that goes with our weather video. All this information is just going to help you feel a little bit better when you do take that quiz. Do you have to do any of these other items? Absolutely not. But what you're going to want to do is click here where it says Q quiz. Another example shows it right here. Next, it does say that I'm going to take this quiz and I'm going to want to do this graded quiz. You can do the review quiz if you'd like to, but the graded one is the one that's going to be easy to email to me. So once you press that graded quiz, you're going to have your questions here. All right. Now, if at any time you need to go back to the story, you can click out and go back to the movie anytime you need to, okay? Sometimes students even look at all the questions first and then they go back to the movie. Now, I'm going to do something you should not do. Let me repeat, not do. I'm going to answer all of the answers as letter A. This is not something you should do. I just want to show you what the end of this quiz looks like. After you have 10 short questions, it is going to take you to a screen that looks like this. See why I shouldn't guess? I only got one answer correct. When you go down here to the bottom, you can press view your results, but the part that I want you to click is your email results. Once you do that, you're going to put in your name. Maybe your name is Fred, and you're of course going to put in my email. Oh, don't put these guys in. These are my other emails. You're going to put in the one that's on your list, mkreynolds@aurorak12.org, just like yours. Now, if you don't remember that, don't worry. I put it right down here, mkreynolds@aurorak12.org. Once you do, you're going to put in your class if you'd like to, the best class ever, and you're going to press OK. Once you do that, the quiz results have been sent to me and I can mark off that you are completed. If you would like to go back and review your results, you can always take a look at which ones you got right, which ones you got wrong, and if you want to change any of them and try again. All right, ladies and gentlemen, you'll do this exact same thing for your Thursday video, but of course it'll be a social studies today, so you're going to be looking up one of my favorite Native Americans, Pocahontas. Same thing, you're going to watch the video. You can, of course, play the games, work on the vocabulary, or any of the other things to click. Click your quiz. Don't forget to click the graded quiz and email your results to this email address here. If you have any questions about how to do Brain Pop, Science, and Social Studies, please let me know. I am here to help whenever you need. Bye, you guys.